We need some noise from Michael, everybody!
Mitch, this one's built. This guy looks serious.
What year?
All right, guys, we got prison rules. We'll get the winch when he tells us to.
As you go up, you're going to want to turn driver.
Oh, he's serious. Seatbelt off. He ain't worried. All right. Are those stickies? You're okay. Here we go. We ain't letting no 6G beat us. Come on. There we go. Woo! Got that rear tire up. He can go further. If you guys notice the dent on the front fender, I don't think this man's too worried about it. I think he's about to put a show on.
Oh, a little 77 action.
Yes, sir. Those fuel doors. All right, bro. Don't let us down. Come on. Come on, guys. Give him a round of applause. He is driving this early. Oh, he might make it to the top. He's going for the win, I think. Oh, we're going. He's all right.
Easy there, Big Mike. What are we thinking? Make some noise, everybody! Cheer him on!
Morgan, we got more? He wants more. Oh, we're not done, Mitch.
2.
Let's go!
Tires. Woo!
Oh, winch line's loose. He's on his own right now. Oh, come on, people, get some noise! Stop! Holy cow! Winch line saved him on that one.
All right. For the first time in prison rules history, unfortunately, that's a disqualification. But we love you, Mike. Give it up for Mike one more time. If you pull the winch line, it means you were going to go over. But give it up. That was some effort right there.